Figuring out your learning style is essential for effective study habits. 1. Use visual learning techniques. To see if a visual style of learning suits you best, try different methods that favor seeing and observing things. Watch demonstrations of things in person or online, such as a YouTube video detailing how to fix a leaky pipe, or enhance your reading by highlighting text or making note cards. Other visual learning techniques may include consulting maps, graphs, or charts, making lists, drawing illustrations, using post-it notes.
2. Experiment with hands-on learning. Determine if tactile learning is the best fit for you by getting involved with a topic that you are learning about. For example, if you are learning about a city's history, visit some of the key landmarks that you read about, like visiting the Mark Twain House in Connecticut while learning about the author. Some other types of hands-on learning methods to try are interviewing people about a subject, acting things out, conduct studies or experiments.
3. Try auditory learning. See if auditory learning works for you by seeking spoken instructions or explanations about learning material. Try audiobooks or taped lectures as a means to learn about something new. Alternatively, seek out experts or fellow learners to discuss a topic with and share ideas.
4. Take an online quiz to determine your learning style. There are quizzes online that can help you figure out how you learn best. In addition to trying out each learning style, it may be helpful to utilize a quiz or two and see if the outcome matches up with what kind of learning style you think you have.
Keeping your mind sharp is vital for successful learning. 1. Get enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep can affect your concentration and cause memory problems, hindering your learning process. A healthy sleep schedule should be kept up, as lost sleep has a cumulative effect on your mind and body. As a general rule, the required amount of sleep for optimal functioning is 9 to 11 hours a day for children, 8.5 to 9.5 hours a day for teenagers, 7 to 9 hours a day for adults.
2. Eat a healthy diet. Eating healthy will improve your overall well-being, both mentally and physically. Improve your capacity to learn by consuming healthy, smart foods that aid with concentration. Make sure to eat a well-balanced breakfast every day and add learning-friendly foods to your diet, such as omega-3 rich fish, whole grains, avocados, blueberries, dark chocolate.
3. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is a key component to concentration and learning potential. If possible, exercise right before studying, which will raise your focus for 2 to 3 hours. If your concentration starts to fade while reading or studying, take a 15-minute exercise break to renew your energy. Exercise also releases endorphins and serotonin, which boost mood and fight depression. You don't have to bust out the weights. A brisk walk will do.
4. Communicate with your teachers. Get the best learning experience possible by keeping an open line of communication with your teachers. Ask questions at appropriate times, visit during office hours, and follow up by email to confirm that you have absorbed what they told you.
5. Set goals. Setting clear goals for your learning process will keep you motivated and organized. Be realistic about your goals in terms of time and complexity. For example, if you want to learn the theoretical component of how to drive, aim to read and retain 1 chapter of the driving manual per week.